there, welcome with me again. In a world that moves fast and flashes slower every second, what if I told you that every shape, every light, and every visual you see here tells a story? Welcome to ARizu Visual. Hi, I'm ARizu. You can call me Iz or Izu. Really, whatever sounds normal and not too weird, I'm good with it. And this is ARizu Visual, my little creative corner where photo edits, video tricks, tutorials, design ideas, and everything visual meets together with splash of calm, clarity, and artistic. Before we get into it, I just want to let you know that I've recently changed and updated this channel's name and logo. I've already announced the update on YouTube posts as well as on my other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. So, I think this is perfect time to officially introduce this channel to you all, including the new name, logo, and purpose behind it. Some of you might notice that the logo and channel name look different now. Honestly, the main reason I decided to change this because the present name was just too common. And I found that many other channels were using similar names. So why I felt it was necessary to give it a fresh identity in my fashion. So, what is ARizu Visual all about? This is not just another tutorial channel. It's more than just that. This is your new creative space. It's a creative mindset. Here, we take step by step, slowly but surely. We edit, design, express, not to impress, but to connect. Because every color, shape, shadow, and frame carries meaning. Where visuals speak, softly at first. ARizu Visual is a channel to exploring the art of photo and video editing, creative tutorials, and everything in between that touches of visual storytelling. This is where we learn, create, and grow. So, if you got editing apps like Picsart, Lightroom, KineMaster, CapCut, or other editing apps, or even just your phone and a big idea, you can stand in here. The tagline. The tagline is simple. Create softly, speak visually. But here's the real meaning behind it. It's about creating with a calm intention, not rushing the process, and allowing your visual to be thoughts. Because every shape holds meaning, and behind every meaning is a feeling. This channel exists to help your purpose express yourself visually, with intention, style, and soul. Let's talk about the logo. Because, yes, even the symbols tells a story. What's with the logo? The ARizu logo is a geometric monogram blend of the letters A and R, forming a modern triangle shape. That triangle that represents growth after motion. The journey of this channel and our creative minds evolving together creatively and personally. The letter R. That cross represents adaptation and innovation, staying creative in a fast-changing world. Okay, so why the name ARizu? Good question. It's more than just a cool name.
R is my first name.
Izu comes from Izu, a personal nickname with a little touch of Japanese or Asian-inspired vibe. Combine it, ARizu. Simple, uncommon, but easy to remember. Who is this channel for? You. If you're someone who's curious learning about how, why, and the feeling behind visual creation. We're not just about one editing style, we're about the whole spectrum of creative exploration. Whether you're a beginner and never thought to trying to edit photos or videos, even just starting out, ARizu Visual is for you. You can belong here. So, if you're someone who loves creating visually, that means something. If you feel like creating softly and speaking visually too, then hey, why not stick around? Just join it. Hit that like button if you felt inspired even just a little. And make sure to subscribe because we're just getting started. Let's grow together, explore new style, and bring in inspiration to help you grow your creation journey. One calm step at a time. This is ARizu Visual. See you in the next video. Stay creative, stay visual. Goodbye.